We have just finished playing the first concert of the Gandhisagar Floating Festival. It's a unique experience, it's a beautiful setting, and I'm hoping a lot of people come here. Guys, you've never been to a place like this, it's quite interesting. यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ होगा. Water sports भी होंगे, music तो होगा ही होगा. They will also be, I just met some guys who take people into the forest for forest watching. There are 236 different bird species available in this area.
Wow.
You have to come and enjoy yourself and see things that you may not be able to see in other places. आ जाओ, मजा आएगा.
क्या बात है.
बिल्कुल आइए मध्य प्रदेश never stops to seize us to
Amaze.
surprise and amaze us, and this place is really nice. बहुत मजेदार.